Staying connected with your customers has never been more important. To listen, understand, and respond to their needs at the right time and in the right place. Dynamics 365 Customer Voice empowers organizations to capture and incorporate real-time feedback into a unified view of customers and drive action in the moments that matter, enabling and simplifying the ongoing process of building meaningful customer relationships. Start creating surveys immediately with just a few clicks. Ready-to-use templates from Customer Voice help you to easily personalize surveys at scale. After a customer's order is delivered, you can quickly get a pulse on their delivery experience. Click into the template to access pre-built questions on the spot. Add satisfaction metrics, such as Net Promoter Score, into your survey with one click. Set alerts and be notified when your business receives below satisfactory scores, or when to follow up and thank a very happy customer. With coverage across all possible channels, you can meet customers where they are and be sure to catch every response and improve every experience. Built-in integration capabilities help you create a holistic view of each customer. Connect feedback into your everyday applications and workflows, including Dynamics, Power BI, Power Apps, and hundreds of other apps through Power Automate. Automate sending surveys at the right moment in your customer's journey. Receive updated, real-time feedback directly into the tools and systems you already spend most of your time in. With Customer Voice, you can generate a 360-degree view of your customer without having to toggle between different apps. Activate insights and drive action with real-time feedback to proactively elevate your customer experience and uncover what truly drives customer satisfaction. Customer Voice helps you to visualize insights on your dashboard and promptly resolve issues with set triggered alerts. Simply click into the dashboard to access a customer's profile. View the specific feedback along with customer sentiment automatically surfaced by Microsoft's AI technology to respond with the next best action. Always stay connected, build stronger relationships, and deliver better experiences for all your customers. Try Dynamics 365 Customer Voice today.